Namaskar and good morning to all the delegates and dignitaries from India. Good afternoon and good evening to all the dignitaries and delegates who are in different time zones across the globe. I take this opportunity to welcome our chief guest, His Excellency Honorable Governor of Odisha, Professor Ganeshi Lalji. Our guest of honor, Her Excellency Dame Barbara Woodward, Permanent Representative for the United Nations from United Kingdom, and Ms. Nadia Rashid, Deputy Resident Representative of UNDP to the Sai Model United Nations E-Conference. I would like to welcome all dignitaries who have graced us with their presence today and the 1,000 delegates from 62 schools and 20 countries, including Australia, Japan, Uganda, South Africa, UAE, Bangladesh, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, Saudi Arabia, Oman, Ukraine, Poland, Hong Kong, Egypt, Morocco, Indonesia, Nepal, USA, UK, and India. Let us take a moment here to thank all the 62 schools who are here today as part of Sai MUN 2021, who have come together to share their thoughts on global issues and policies that are the need of the hour. A big thank you to all the schools. Over the course of 2020 and 2021, the world has faced one of the greatest tests of mankind, COVID-19, which has affected millions of people, taken thousands and thousands of lives, handicapped the global economy, and spared nobody. No country or no population has been immune to its impacts. The world is still in the acute phase of pandemic and continues to call for a global ceasefire, urging all of us to come together as one family and fight this dark shadow that casts on our future. For this, Sai continues to put all efforts into creating this platform every year, and also this time virtually, to bring together delegations from across nations as one world, one family, also called Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. This is a Sanskrit phrase, and what it really symbolizes is that we may be from different races, different nationalities, different culture, languages, but we are one large family, working together with compassion and solidarity to bring in world peace and harmony. This philosophy will be beautifully demonstrated in the next 2 days by these young minds who have done extensive research to formulate policies and resolutions on global crises that have shaken nations today. In 2021 SAI-MUN, each committee with its agenda has been carefully crafted addressing the current health, socio-economic, humanitarian, security, and human rights conditions. These resolutions that will be passed from these 2-day deliberations will be sent to the United Nations Information Center for India and Bhutan for review. Therefore, I would humbly request all of you to deeply reflect on your decision making these deliberations and think of ways in which countries can cooperate for the common good. This 2-day conference will be packed with intellectually stimulating discussions that will bring about a prolific change in the learning horizon of all participants. Apart from the enriching debates and thought-provoking agendas, delegates will learn how to work as a team to draft resolutions, resolve conflicts, negotiate, and finally build consensus. It will equip them with 21st century skills such as leadership, problem solving, writing, public speaking, and many more. One of our key events of Sai MUN is Global Village, which gives every global participant an opportunity to showcase their beautiful culture and tradition. It has always been the most awaited event of Sai MUN. And this year as well, the Going Global team of Sai has created a unique experience for all of you to see the true spirit of internationalism. So I would request you not to miss out on the event. It gives me a lot of pride and happiness to see our founder chairman, Dr. Vijay Kumar Sahu's global vision of creating a better world through education coming alive with events such as Sai Model United Nations year on year. I am delighted that Sai MUN is growing in prominence with every passing year, and the joy of seeing it as one of India's largest MUNs is unparalleled. Once again, I would like to welcome each one of you to this Grand Sai Model United Nations e-conference. And I'm sure all of you will have a lot of fun and will learn immensely by stepping into the shoes of world leaders for the next 2 days. Thank you very much and namaskar.